What's good, Dan Mafia? See what we are dealing with today. We back in the music lab with another one. And see what they are with, man. We are with none other than the world boss, the teacher. You see me, I say the teacher, world boss, king of dancehall. You see me, I say, Wiles, what? Like. Come on, man. You don't know. We are with the king of dancehall, the teacher. You see me, I say. Yeah, man. None other than Vybz Kartel, man. And today we got Drag Them Back. Yeah, man. And we already listened to the audio. Drag Them Back when he just dropped it, but I haven't reacted to the video. Other people requesting I react to the video, but we already listened to the audio. So we're gonna check it out and see what I deal with it. You don't know, man. Yeah, man. So, man, I know y'all probably wondering why I never covered the whole Vybz Kartel trial and stuff like that. And to be honest, gang, I wanted to do it. I even wanted to do a live stream for it, but my equipment was acting up and there's no way I could get it done, at least with good quality where it's watchable, you know what I'm saying? So plus I was working, so that really made me mad, man. You know, and y'all know Vybz Kartel is like my favorite dancehall artist. I'm a huge Vybz Kartel fan. You see me? Guys, I'm gonna say you don't know that, all of that, but yeah, man, I know one day, I wonder, yo, how you don't do no video feed down to say you support Kartel and everything, bro. My equipment was acting up, and I was so mad I didn't wanna do it again, react to it, or make any updates on it because I was mad. Because I wanted to do it live on the day, you know what I'm saying? But so it goes sometime. I don't know what time it is, but yeah. Today we're there with Vybz Kartel, Drag Them Back. We reacted to the official music video because we actually did the audio. Audio was good, audio was crazy, but now we actually have visuals to go with it. So I want to see what's going on in the video and if it's like paint any more sense, or like if it like give you a better understanding of the song. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, man, gang. We don't hold the vibe much longer. I'll jump right in there. Vybz Kartel, Drag Them Back. Get it. Easy now, man. That beat is hard. I'm not going to cap to you. Come on. How do you think that's supposed to be? Liquor Cartel or alcohol? Oh, man. Drag them back. Is that cricket batting that? Is that cricket batting that? Alright.
Music House Entertainment.
Bad guys, I know. Wicked. Yeah, don't make me deal with it like this.
Bad guys, I know. Wicked. Don't make me deal with them like what?
Cricket.
Drag them back like Marlon. In a while me no call pan lawman. If you care you the shot and it all one.
Bomba dog flying Batman. Batting for 6. Drag them back like Marlon. In a war we no call pan lawman. No sir. Young go and do the dirt with self.
In a while me no call pan lawman. If you care you the shot and it all one. More shoes than Jordan carbon. Copy can war man long ya far.
Yo. Man say, yo, Liffy K, the tall and the short one. Full of shoes. Hey! He's full of shoes like Jordan. No carbon copy can't wear, man. I want you, man. Listen to the man, dog.
Short and it all one. More shoes than Jordan carbon. Copy can't wear, man. Long ya falcon. Bust off them head like armband iron. Right by my roof.
Long ya falcon. Bust off them head like armband. Long ya falcon. Come in, bro. Kartel full of too much lyrics, bro. We could punch play on words, man. But like, listen to what dog I said, bro.
Young Falcon, bust off them head like armband iron. Right by Mara fly far than Marzan. Land pan the star and fall pan a tyrant.
Right by Mara fly far than Marzan. Jeez and peace. Come
try up, kidnap your gang, everybody I get tie up. Me no look link, my link in a bio. Wicked like God, that's on the
kidnap everybody I get tie up. Me no look link. My link in a bio. Yo, Kartel is the best, bro. I swear to God.
At me stare yo, Astria rich again, Mount a Glock when me buy up. One bag a killer like a rise and fly up. Anywhere when me take on the guys I triumph.
One bag like a rise and fly. Anywhere me take on the guys I triumph. I want to play my guys on a lose round here.
Living evil, me skull at yeah, fry up. Anybody where we sip on your ends get wire up.
Man say yo, living evil. Skull at yeah, fry up. Any boy, me sit on your ends and get why up.
Drop them back like Marlon. In a war, me no call pan lawman. If you care, you the short and the tall one. More shoes than Jordan, carbon. Copy can't war man, long ya fall pan. Bust off them head like armband R1. Ride by Mara, fly far than Mars and land pan the star and fall pan a tar and dry up. Me no play, me no
Mara fly higher than Mar and long pan a tar and dry up. Yo, come on.
play with the night of a day. If you 6 fancy K and turn it your way. Man a ball, man a shot, not hip hip hooray. Sunday at now the sky get grey. Like a big land truck come out of me way.
Easy now, man. Blow out Sunday at no sky get grey. You see me like a big land truck come out of me way, no dog.
It's a no football, guys a no play. Remember the last boy we test me what they can't find them and say run away. Drop them back like man.
Remember boy will test my day, runway can't find. Test my day can't find and say runway. Take for himself, bro. Where is going to teach and the Gaza brother and don't expect you to go dead? Expect your butter go get fly. I'm here, man. Calm down, where you
in a war, me no call pan lawman. If you care, you the short and the tall one. More shoes than Jordan, carbon. Copy can't war man, long ya fall pan.
More shoes than Jordan, brother. Carbon copy can't war around here. You see me and say, yeah man, we got the shoes them like we have more bumps than the Navy base.
Bust off them head like armband R1. Ride by Mara, fly far than Mars and land pan the star and fall pan a tar.
Hey, what kind of sign that, Grace? Come on.
And dry up.
Bad guy sign. Wicked. Yeah, damn.
Jog them butt. Yeah man, come here.
I'm daily they like the cricketer.
Waterhouse, drop them back like Marlon. In a war, me no call pan lawman. If you care, you the short and the tall
One, I'm here. Easy now.
one. More shoes than Jordan, carbon. Copy can't war man, long ya fall pan. Bust off them head like armband R1. Ride by Mara, fly far than Mars and land
Bust off the mid like armband R1. Drive by Mara, fly far than Mars and land pan
pan the star and fall pan a tar and drop up. Kidnap your gang, everybody and get tie up. Me no look link my
the real bad people in there, no. Mummy there, no. Mummy and grandma there, no. The real bad people. What I go do?
thinking about you. Wicked like God, that's what the bad mister you. Astria rich again, Mount
Yeah, what? Hey boy, you fi dead. You try lick mummy. You try lick mummy and granny. You fi dead, boy. Go ahead.
Glock when me buy up. One bag of killer like
You can't bad like mummy and granny, no. Just take with that from you.
a rise and fly up. Anywhere when me take on the Gaza
One
try
box.
up. Living evil, me skull hot, yeah, I fry up. Anybody where we sip on your ends get wire up. Drop them back like Marlon. In a while me no call.
Yeah, one people afraid of bad man, mummy and grandma. You see me kind of matter how bad a man out the road, that mummy and grandma come and say, yo, rate, them have to keep back. So all this time all go on bad. I'll kill people in the road. Look there, mummy and grandma have to come calm him down. My child lift up. My child lift up his shoes, but mummy not afraid of that.
One lawman, if you care, you the short and the tall one. More shoes
Yeah,
than
bad people.
Jordan, carbon. Copy can't war man, long ya fall pan. Bust off them head like armband R1. Ride by Mara, fly far than Mars and land pan the star.
Easy. A lot of people don't get the concept of this shit. A lot of people don't get it, bro. It miss a lot of people now. But
And fall pan a tar and dry up.
easy now, mama. Lick them for 6. Easy, granny. Mad. Blind on. Big up Cartel. The concept is crazy. Big up Mental Chung as well. Yeah, the concept is crazy. The visuals is crazy. I like it. Very fun, very creative. Imagery help you understand lyrics as well, but it's very funny because he's walking around the back. And then say drag them back like you see me? And go fly dog, man say yo any boy, you know what I'm saying? My grown and my diss up people and people dissing my beat them up and kill them and thing, but at the end of the day nobody that mummy and granny. And the day mummy and granny buck him down and him have to calm down himself. You see what I'm saying? Mummy and granny not afraid of him. But anyway, gang, yeah, let me know anything about that one there. Really dope trap, really dope concept. We did listen to the audio, but I'm glad I watched the video. The video is a really great concept, man. This is mad. Teacher mad creative, you know. The song itself is mad creative. I'm not not sure how much say Kartel had on the video since he's not. But if he's behind the video as well, that is mad creative, man. You see me? It's a good look. So, gang, let me know one thing about that one in the comment section. If I like it, definitely show that to some of us spoiling us. Jambisco done sent ya. Yeah, man. Let me know what y'all want me to react to next. Definitely drop your requests. You will definitely get your shout out and all that good stuff. Yeah, man, gang. Let's chop it up. Let's talk about it. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. So, guys.
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector.